Yep, building the fire that night, finder. Poured another piece of coal onto the hank. Yep, stirring it up. Stirring the fire. Filling the blaze. Yeah, all right, here we go.